Hi everyone, in this video I want to share with you 10 types of syngonium plants that I've collected. Okay, I'll introduce to you one by one and their differences. Alright, now the one that you're looking at in front of you now is called pink syngonium. Okay, now by the way, syngoniums are also known as arrowhead vine. Some people call it goosefoot. Okay, but the botanical name for this plant is called Syngonium podophyllum. Alright, now this is pink syngonium. See how beautiful this plant, the leaf. Okay, nice pink color, a bit dark pink, right, and with beautiful pink veins. Okay, behind is dark green like this. All right, and if you see the baby plants, okay, they appear like this. Okay, beautiful pink leaves here. Okay, and also there's a light green leaf. Okay, that's how they grow. Eventually they grow bigger and then they'll change into a color like this. Okay, green color like this. Okay, and also pink color like this. All right, now you need to know where you put this plant. Okay, if you put at the wrong place, okay, it may not retain the light pink color like this. Okay, if you put it outside, okay, it may actually become dark green. Okay, even though its original color is pink color. All right, so you need to put this in a shade. Okay, this is not a heat tolerant plant. Okay, because the heat will actually burn the skin. All right, so this is the plant that you need to be very careful with. Okay, now this one is called white butterfly. This is how it looks like. See this leaf here, the pattern of this leaf looks like nice patterns like this, right? This is white butterfly syngonium. Okay, this is how the initial leaves will look like. Okay, as the leaf grows bigger and become mature, it will change its pattern to like this. Okay, it will always be light green and dark green combined together. All right, so this is how it looks like. Okay, see this other leaf here, nice beautiful leaves. All right, and beside this is dark green syngonium. Now this one is really heat tolerant. Okay, you can just place this particular syngonium under direct sunlight. Okay, it can survive well. Okay, as compared to pink. Okay, if you put this one under direct sunlight, okay, the edges of the leaves, okay, will start to burn off. All right, but this one really can tolerate sun. Okay, so not all syngonium can tolerate direct sunlight, so you need to know which is which and which one can put in the direct sunlight or which one not. All right, so this is how the dark green normal common syngonium looks like. Okay, this one you can find almost anywhere. All right, this is the dark green syngonium. The one that you're looking at now, this is light green syngonium. This is same like dark green syngonium, except that, okay, the color of the leaf is light green. Okay, the how to differentiate, okay, even though they look similar, the light green syngonium's leaf, right, as it grows bigger, okay, and as it matures, it will always be light green like this. But the dark green syngonium's leaf, as it grows bigger, it will always be dark green. So dark green will always remain dark green, light green leaf will always remain light green. So this is the difference. Okay, now this one that you're looking at here now is called golden illusion. See how beautiful this plant. Some people even call this green neon syngonium. I think it's because the green color looks like a neon green. Yeah, it is so beautiful. This is one of my favorite syngonium plant. Okay, very beautiful with pink color veins like this. Okay, so this is how it looks like. All right, and there's another one here. This is called pink blush. Okay, a pink blush may appear similar to pink syngonium, but actually it's not. Okay, the pink blush syngonium's leaf, right, okay, are smaller and it will be narrow like this. As you can see here, it's narrow and long, but the pink syngonium's leaf, right, okay, is wider and even bigger. Okay, the pink blush will be smaller leaves like this. Okay, the colors are almost similar, as you can see here, right, this color of the pink blush and also pink syngonium, they are similar, but the leaf of the pink blush and the leaf of the pink syngonium different. Okay, one is narrow, one is wider, so that's how you differentiate between the two. All right, that's one of the way to differentiate. Now the one that you see here, all right, this is called Syngonium vanlandi. Alright, I hope I pronounced that correctly, vanlandi. Right, this is a dark green leaf, okay, with beautiful white color, like light dark green line like this, okay, with a nice pattern, almost look like a velvety kind of feel to it. Okay, yeah, when you feel like this, right, it does feel like velvety, like that, very soft, gentle. Behind looks like this dark green. See how beautiful this plant. Let me show you surround. See how beautiful this plant looks like. This is called vanlandi. Nice, isn't it? Such a beautiful syngonium. I love this one too. Okay, now this one, this is called pixie, syngonium pixie. Okay, this one is a bit smaller type of syngonium. The leaves of this syngonium will always be small. Okay, will not really grow that big. Okay, so this is syngonium pixie. It also looks almost similar to the common syngonium that I showed you just now. Okay, but the difference is that this one, the leaf will always be small. All right, see, just nice, beautiful, small syngonium leaf. Okay, this is also a baby plant, still small. Okay, hope it will grow bigger soon. Okay, and one more, see this one, this is called syngonium narrow. Okay, I just got this recently from my neighbor. Okay, I'm still growing it. Okay, hopefully it will grow up soon. Okay, and then I can change it to a bigger pot before staking. See how beautiful this one. Okay, the leaves are very small and narrow like this. Nice one. Okay, hope it will grow up as soon as possible. All right, so anyway, once it grows up, okay, I'll try to update you guys with a new how it looks like. All right, now this one, see this one, this is called silver syngonium. Okay, or syngonium silver. This is how it looks like. Maybe it's because the color of the leaf, okay, looks like silver. All right, see how beautiful the leaf of this plant. Let me show you a close up. See, nice, isn't it? Okay, behind this plant is same. Okay, light color green like this. See, very beautiful. Okay, so these are the 10 types of syngoniums that I have, folks. Again, I'll show you quickly. See how beautiful. This is pink syngonium. This is white butterfly. Okay, this is dark green syngonium. Okay, this is light green syngonium. Okay, and this is golden illusion. This is how golden illusion looks like. Okay, and this one is pink blush. Okay, and this one is called syngonium vanlandi. Okay, this is syngonium pixie. Okay, and this is syngonium, okay, this one inside here, this is syngonium narrow. Okay, baby, I almost forget you. Okay, small one, and this is syngonium silver. All right, so those are the 10 types of syngoniums that I've collected. Now there are more beautiful syngoniums out there. Okay, hope I can collect them soon as I get more new types of varieties of syngonium. I'll do a video update on this. All right, guys, so anyway, thank you so much for watching. All right, stay safe, have a nice day, goodbye.